Hello, everybody. I'm back. As you can see, my feet are in the sand. This makes for a very challenging video to demonstrate or technique to demonstrate simply because earthing is something that you have to do outside and trying to get the camera's view within me as well as my feet are is very challenging. So as we were talking about earthing, the benefits of earthing can lower stress. It can reduce inflammation, reduce pain. It can also help you sleep better and increase your energy. And earthing promotes physical and mental well being overall. So, the best part about earthing or grounding is that it's super simple, it's completely free, it can be done anywhere at any time. It requires nothing but your bare feet, your hands, or your entire body. And how earthing works is your skin works as a conductor, and your body is naturally able to absorb the electrical charges from the earth. So, how to begin earthing? Earthing is recommended to be done at least 30 minutes a day to receive the maximum benefit, but you can't do too much earthing, so you can do it for as many times or as long as you want throughout a day. Some ways to start having more direct contact with the earth can include walking barefoot. You can do that by just walking on the grass. You can go to the mailbox. You can mow your lawn, but I wouldn't recommend that with an electrical mower, maybe with a push mower that is not electrical, one of the old-fashioned kind if you have a small yard. You can garden without shoes on. You could barbecue without shoes on. Or you could put your feet in the sand at the beach. So with clients, I would recommend walking on the grass outside, or you could bring in some sand. Simply what I did here at my house is I just put some sand on the ground, and it feels wonderful. It feels great to have your feet in the sand. It actually is very relaxing. So aside from doing it naturally outside, there are some other products available that you can do this indoors, and the products are, one of them is a bed, and this bed is actually electrically charged, and you plug it into an earthing port. And these beds basically have conductive systems that transfer the earth's electrons from the ground into the body. So even when you're inside sleeping, an earthing bed might be able to help you absorb the effects of the earth's electricity and normalize your circadian rhythm for sleeping. So laying or sleeping in this bed is almost like being outside, same thing. Another thing is called an earthing mat, and they look similar to small yoga mats, and they're placed on the floor, and people use them when they're cooking or in the bathroom or watching TV. And they have a little controller, and the controller is connected to an electrical field, and it's again being given off from the Earth's surface. So those are other ways. You can also talk on the phone, standing on the earthing mat. Another product is called an earthing band, and those also exist. And I guess what you do with those is you place them on your wrist or your arms, and some people like to wear them while they're cooking or working or doing anything else around the house that can't be done outdoors. So that's a wonderful option for people like me who live out on the East Coast and it's extremely humid. I'm not a big outdoors person when the humidity hits, which it's now hit in my area. It's high humidity today. Also, we get a lot of rainstorms here too. So using the other alternative options, such as the beds, the mats, as well as also the wristbands, are great options. Obviously, those are not things that our clients can do unless it's an adult client. Then maybe you could recommend, the bed or the mat or even the band. I myself probably would not use those alternative methods, but I would rather try to find the way to do it outside. I could walk with clients outside, and so when your client needs to experience that deep state of relaxation, maybe you're seeing them being hyper aroused whenever you're during session, and without even letting them know what you're doing, just say, hey, let's take off our shoes and go outside for a walk and just, walk around the grass and walk slow. And that can be an activity that you could do with them. And they may not even realize what's happening. but it actually will be activating that parasympathetic nervous system for them. So that about sums it up for earthing, and I hope you enjoyed learning about it as much as I did. And thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to your feedback. Thank you. Have a good day.